Why do 80% of LG TV owners experience picture issues at least once? Don't worry, let's get that picture back step by step. First, check your input source. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input, like HDMI, if you're using external devices. Next, verify your cables. Ensure all HDMI and power cables are snugly connected to both your TV and devices. Still nothing? Try power cycling your TV. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Now power cycle any connected devices. Turn them off and back on, or unplug and replug their power cords. If your screen remains blank, the issue might be with the connected device itself. Switch inputs to see if the problem persists. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. This will erase all settings and return the TV to its default state. If none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact LG support for help. Fixing your LG TV can be this simple.